Good evening, dear students. We have already learned how to draw the electric field directions for a single charge and for multiple charges. But we have drawn it with the help of electric field lines. So what are these electric field lines? Electric field lines are the pictorial mapping of electric field around the charge. That means we know that around the charge electric field is there. To mark it, we draw or we do a pictorial mapping of the electric field with the help of electric field lines. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को बताने के लिए पिक्चर फॉर्म में हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं. हमें पता है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है चार्ज के आसपास, लेकिन इसको कैसे बताएं? तो इसके लिए हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस का यूज करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को बताने के लिए. ठीक है. So to understand how to draw this electric field lines as a picture around the charge, let us quote the properties of electric field lines. The first property of the electric field line is that if the charge is positive, then the electric field ends at infinity. So let us consider here a positive charge, as can be seen, and as we also know that they start from the positive charge radially outwards. Similarly, the other lines go, correct? And here one more thing which you have to remember is either it will be told that the charge is positive or Q is greater than 0. Now where do they end? They end at infinity. What is infinity? Infinity is the point where the electric field line or the electric field's value is nearly 0, which we have already learned in the previous section, where we said the electric field is inversely proportional to R square. What does that mean? The electric field becomes lesser and lesser as the point goes farther and farther from the charge. So let the point go to infinity, then I write infinity square here. 1 upon infinity square is 0. So what does it mean? That infinity is a point where the electric field is 0. So for a positive charge, the electric field line starts from the charge to infinity. Okay. Similarly, if Q is less than 0, then the charge is negative. I can write this as Q negative, this is Q positive. Then how do I draw the electric field line? As already learned, it is coming from somewhere and entering or inwards towards the charge, negative charge. So from where is it coming? It is again coming from infinity, as written here. For negative charge, negative Q, electric field line starts from infinity and enters towards the charge itself. So for a positive charge, the electric field line begins from the charge, ends at the infinity, and for a negative charge, the electric field line starts from infinity and ends at the charge. These are all PYQs, multiple choice questions. Okay? Assertion reasoning, anywhere they can turn this question and ask you as a statement or assertion reasoning or PYQ or a single line question. Remember this, what I said. Positive charge, from charge to infinity, electric field line goes. Negative charge, from infinity to the negative charge, the electric field line must go. Arrow must show like that. Fine. Now let us consider two charges with same polarity kept near to each other, close to each other. Now you can see the electric field lines. They, if this is positive charge, then it must go outside as the arrow shows, radially outwards. But here you can see that it is not going radially outwards, making a curve. Why? Because there is another positive charge here, which should also go radially outwards. So these two charges must repel each other. What does this mean? The force on each charge is repelling. That means opposing each other. That's why the curves are formed and they do not intersect each other. That is also one of the property we will discuss. So here what happens, that instead of going radially outwards, they come close to each other and make a curve outwards. Why? Because both are positive. Similarly, if I have one positive charge and one negative charge, what will happen? What is the rule? Charge is positive, then the electric field line must come out from the charge and go into the negative charge. That's why the arrow is from positive charge towards the negative charge. The rule is same. Coming out from the positive charge, going to the negative charge. Coming out from the positive charge, going towards the negative charge. Same follows here. Come out from the positive charge, go inwards to the negative charge. These lines are for further points. If I go ahead, they will definitely join like this. Clear? So, this two drawings also can come again as a PYQ, where these two are of same polarity, these two charges are of same polarity. If at all both the charges are negative, then the curve shape is also going to look like this. Only the arrow's direction you have to change. Both must enter. Here both are coming out, that's all. In this case, positive charge takes out the arrow and enters into the negative charge. Now, for all these four types, configurations of charges available to us, how to find out the direction of the electric field line? For this, direction of electric field line is as the arrow says. For this also, direction of electric field line is as the arrow says, inwards. For this, how do I find out the direction of the electric field point? Say at the point P. What should I do? This is a part of a circle. So I just draw a tangent. The direction of the tangent at the curve will give me the direction of the electric field line or the electric field at that point. I change the point. Again, this part of circle, you can imagine this as one circle. And this is the radius. Tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. I drew one tangent here at this point, say Q. The direction of the tangent at that point Q will give me the direction of the electric field line at that point. So for a curved surface, what do? I just draw the tangent, and as we know, at every point there is only one tangent on a circle. Fine. So how do I draw? This is the tangent. Correct? So the direction of the tangent on a curved electric field line will give me the direction of the electric field at that point. So what should I do? I should just draw the tangent for the curve. That will give me the direction of the electric field at that point. Fine? Okay? So let us go now to the next property. Before that, in brief, I will just revise in Hindi and we will move to the next point. यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज का इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव चार्ज से इंफिनिटी की तरफ है. इंफिनिटी क्या है? जहां पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 है. नेगेटिव चार्ज के लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन कहां से कहां तक का होगा? फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टू नेगेटिव चार्ज। यहां पे कहां से कहां तक होगा? चार्ज टू इंफिनिटी। यहां पे कॉम्बिनेशन है, दोनों पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हैं। ओके, अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव चार्जेस हैं, ये दोनों चार्जेस रिपेल होंगे। अगर रिपेल होंगे तो उनके जो फील्ड लाइंस है वो रेडियली आउटवर्ड्स नहीं जाएंगे, लेकिन एक कर्व बना देंगे आसपास आने के बाद। तो ये कर्व्स बने हुए हैं, लेकिन ये पॉजिटिव कर्व्स हैं, तो ये बाहर की तरफ के कर्व्स है, इधर से भी और इधर से भी। अगर ये दोनों नेगेटिव चार्जेस होते तो यही कर्व्स होते, लेकिन इनके एरो अंदर की तरफ होते, चार्ज की तरफ। और अगर एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज है और एक दूसरा वाला नेगेटिव चार्ज है, तो ये कैसे होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन? पॉजिटिव चार्ज से निकलता हुआ नेगेटिव चार्ज की तरफ जाएगा, क्योंकि रूल तो वही है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन निकलती है और नेगेटिव चार्ज में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन जाती है, तो रूल वही है। लेकिन ये दोनों अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, इसलिए इनकी दोनों की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन जुड़ गई है और कर्व बन चुकी है। ठीक है, तो अगर हमें डायरेक्शंस जानना है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का कोई भी पॉइंट पे इन चारों डायग्राम में, तो यहाँ पे तो सीधा है, स्ट्रेट है, तो वो डायरेक्शन स्ट्रेट होगा। यहाँ पे भी स्ट्रेट है, डायरेक्शन स्ट्रेट होगा। लेकिन यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे हमें कोई भी पॉइंट आप ले लो, तो वहां पे एक छोटा सा सर्कल बना सकते हैं। जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा सर्कल हमने बना दिया और यहाँ पे उसका सेंटर है, तो उस पॉइंट पे टेंजेंट बना दो। वो टेंजेंट का डायरेक्शन वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन होगा उस पॉइंट पे। पॉइंट बदल दो, टेंजेंट बदलेगा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन बदलेगा उस कर्व पे। ठीक है, तो दिस वे वी कैन फाइंड आउट what is the direction of electric field for different configurations. Fine. Now let us go to the next property, which says is that electric field lines are continuous curves without any breaks. So what is the meaning of this? I have just taken one charge here, okay, and I started my electric field line from here, radially outwards as per my rule go. Now I can never draw the electric field line while giving breaks. I cannot discontinue and again continue. I cannot say no, here electric field line is zero in this much portion. In this much portion electric field line is zero, then again I continue. That cannot happen. ठीक है, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस आर कंटिन्यूअस कर्व्स विदाउट एनी ब्रेक। चाहे वो सीधे हो चाहे वो स्ट्रेट हो, ब्रेक नहीं होगा उस कर्व में, कंटिन्यूअस होगा। आई कैन नॉट ब्रेक द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन। चार्ज से शुरू होके इंफिनिटी तक जाएंगे, हर एक फील्ड लाइन जाएगा, ब्रेक नहीं हो सकता। देयर कैन बी नो ब्रेक्स इन बिटवीन। It has started from one charge, it can end into another charge, it has started from one charge, it can end into infinity. I cannot give, yes, charge, yeah, electric field line is here, not here, then there, not there. It cannot be like this from anywhere, whether negative charge or whether positive charge. This cannot be possible. Okay, that is the rule number 2. Fine, okay. Now let us go to the rule number 3. Two field lines can never cross each other. This is again a multiple choice question. Can they cross each other? Cannot they cross each other? The answer is they can never cross each other. Why? That is the question. ऐसा क्यों? ऐसा क्यों है कि दो field lines एक point पे cross नहीं कर सकती? Like this, I cannot draw. क्यों? Why? I cannot draw. एक ही पॉइंट पे दो डायरेक्शंस नहीं हो सकते. That's why I cannot draw. What is the rule? Suppose the charge is here. I go to the point and I draw here. The direction of this electric field from this point. Point is here only. Again another direction. How can I go and draw like this also? I cannot draw. Yes, I have kept one test charge here. यहाँ पे एक टेस्ट चार्ज रखा है, तो अट्रैक्शन या रिपल्शन इधर ही होगा, वापस इधर नहीं होगा. Correct? So at one single point P, I cannot draw two directions for the electric field. That's why electric field lines can never cross each other, because at a single point I cannot have two directions for electric field. एक पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के दो डायरेक्शंस नहीं हो सकते, इसीलिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते एट अ सिंगल पॉइंट. फाइन. तो ये छोटी छोटी बातें याद रखनी है when you are drawing or writing the questions. ये भी एक PYQ है, assertion reasoning है. ठीक है, चलो let us go to the point number 4. What is the point number 4? Electric field line do not form closed loops. Electric field line do not form closed loops. In the beginning only we said electric field line from a positive charge starts from the charge, goes to the infinity. For a negative charge, it starts from the infinity and goes to the charge. So there is no question itself that they will form a closed loop. I can never draw starting from the positive charge, going out and coming back. This is a closed loop, ना? ये closed loop है. What is a closed loop? शुरुआत पॉजिटिव चार्ज से हुई और एंटर भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज पे ही हुई, तो यहाँ पे रूल ब्रेक हो गया. रूल इज दिस, फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव चार्ज इट शुड कम आउट, देन हाउ कैन इट एंटर? So if it cannot enter, the direction cannot enter, or direction cannot reach the positive charge again, then how can I break the rule? Like this is absurd to the rule or the property made. That's why a positive charge cannot have a closed loop electric field line. It is an absurd diagram where our property is not followed. That's why the electric field lines of any charge cannot form a closed loop. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन एक ही चार्ज में से निकली और उसी चार्ज में चली गई वापस, मतलब एक ही चार्ज के दो डायरेक्शन है, ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? वो भी नहीं हो सकता, ये एब्सर्ड है, ये हो नहीं सकता अपनी प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से. ठीक है, सो ये सारे पॉइंट्स, प्रॉपर्टीज आपको दिमाग में रखनी है. All these properties have to be kept in your mind when you are answering these questions. Small points they are, but they are going to carry and they are going to be very heavy for you if you forget. Okay, so for a quick revision, electric field lines for positive charge starts from positive, goes to the infinity. For negative starts from infinity, goes to the negative charge. Here coming to the second point, we cannot have breaks. तोड़ नहीं सकते, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन चालू हो गई तो खत्म होगी, ब्रेक नहीं ले सकते. Here एक ही पॉइंट पे दो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस cannot cross. At one point we cannot cross two electric field lines. We cannot draw. The moment you draw, you're not going to get marks. And electric field lines cannot form a closed loop. This is also absurd. This is also absurd against the property which we have discussed. Okay, so these are the electric field lines properties and the definition of electric field line, which you have to remember very minutely so that you can do further numericals. Fine, I'll just move and you can just take a screenshot of whatever I have taught you.